Congratulations to Spain. Spain,
Um,
Spain not just saying that them be the big boys. They want champion.
Spain just dey rewrite history because na so e do for 2010. They win Euros. After winning Euros, they go on to win the World Cup. After the World Cup, they still go on to win the Euros again. So, but for when we dey talk about the preview, I talk and say na the team wey dominate go win, and starting from minute 1 till minute 120,
So when the
Spain
match
dominate. That's 120. Spain
wow.
dominate throughout. They don't even gree Argentina play at all. They even call even they now them call even they commit Argentina self till they don't come out with red card. Kudos to Spain, they really played well. Like
Congratulations to
kudos to
Spain.
Spain, they really
They
play
should
well.
say they deserve am because now them deserve this man. Now them really deserve to win because if to say
If today the game enter penalty,
Spain better fuck up, I for blame Spain because with
hey,
all their performance they won't really fuck
if,
up.
if Spain later carry like all this before enter penalty, they should just forget about the man because Martinez, all of us know how good Martinez is in penalty. So if they mistakenly later carry all this, their good football enter penalty, they would have seen Shege. But what I would say is Spain should try more and create attackers that are clinical because now we didn't do them with this. They play well from the defense, midfield, very, very perfect. But for who will convert the chances where they play?
Nah,
Nobody did. So
but
kudos to Spain for winning
kudos
the
to
World
Spain
Cup.
for winning
And
the World Cup.
everybody in the Spain, both the staff and everybody, they really tried very, very well. They dismantled Argentina
Yeah.
perfectly and won the World Cup. So kudos to Spain.